everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to show you my current brow routine. I started doing my brows differently recently and you guys seem to really like them, so if you want to see how I achieve these natural feathery brows, just keep watching. First, I'm going to use an eyebrow gel. Usually eyebrow gel is used as the finishing product, but I find using it at the beginning helps with shaping the brows. After I get them in the base shape I want, it's easier to fill them in more evenly. I'm applying the gel pretty generously and brushing the hairs in the opposite direction to make them more feathery. Make sure to brush the ends of the brows upwards to make them look naturally thicker. Next, I'm using MAC's Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Spiked to fill in my brows. I'm going to draw hair strokes in the same direction as my natural brow hairs throughout the entire brow. This product's kind of different from other brow products in that you can't blend it out, but that's what makes it perfect for drawing in fake hairs.
Oh, saved by the bell, I'm about to make these moves, oh yeah. Oh, hitting my boot like burning juice through, oh yeah. Hop in the same old clothes, black from head to toe. Link with my bros, make you be ready to go. Hope I ain't dying alone. Hitting up Mongo for the gains, yeah. Big meal before you get brainless. Friday has its stages. My chest still be racing, yeah. Impatient, done with the waiting. This high like a mini vacation. Pulled up, excuse my lateness. Going numb on a weekly basis.
You can stop here, but I'm going to define them a little more by using a felt tip eyeliner. This is really going to add dimension to them and make them look thicker, and it's also a good step to consider if you have dark hair and want your brows to be more cool toned. Black eyeliner can look a little harsh though, so I am using an old one that's almost out of ink. You can also use a regular eyeliner, just make sure you're using a really light hand.
Really can't tell where you ending up. Don't put me in your mentions. I don't wanna see it when I'm waking up. Last night did the most. Now my body got no goals. This little hobby's getting old. Said this not me, just a clone. No, she knows better than to mess with a dude like me. Oh, all my friends said she the type to mess around and leave.
And that's my current brow routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.
I think it be when it shit begins.
Okay.
Full